According to the Department of Education, 1 in 5 Filipino students experience mental health concerns. Students feel immense pressure to perform well and maintain composure, even if their mental health is suffering, sacrificing sleep and rest to submit schoolwork after schoolwork. But what if the key was rest? The answer to the problem is a step back. Maybe it's a calling to connect back to our roots, back to nature.
Connecting with nature can help with these mental health concerns. Research indicates that people who connect more with nature are typically happier, and many people say that their close connection with nature helps them avoid anxiety and worry. Spending time in a green space can improve your mood, reduce stress, and make you feel more relaxed. When you're feeling stressed, take a step back and enjoy the nature around you while it's still there.